To get the flavor out when you grate something.
Tablespoons, sorry, tablespoon.
Oj. Wow, nice sound. Skål.
Hi guys, I'm Marie.
Takashi.
We start our YouTube channel to share our Japanese homemade cooking culture to you. Because we relocated here in Denmark around 1 year ago, and after we started to live here in Denmark, we found a lot of sushi places or ramen places.
Yes.
And both two, sushi and ramen, are well known and very popular Japanese food. But on the other hand, the ramen and sushi are more eating at restaurant instead of you cooking by yourself. And then instead, I feel like we have a lot of various homemade recipes we enjoy back in Japan. So that's why we prefer to share with you if you are interested in Japanese food culture. Please enjoy it!
So today we're gonna cook KaraAge.
KaraAge is Japanese version of fried chicken. And this is the ingredients for tonight. So this one is the chicken leg. So you should choose the chicken leg without bone. And then for the taste, we only need soy sauce and Japanese sake, which is Japanese alcohol.
Yep.
And a little bit flavor, we use garlic and ginger. And we're gonna use flour and oil later when we're frying the chicken.
Where did you buy the other things?
I think sometimes we go to Asian market to get the soy sauce and sake. But I believe you can just buy this soy sauce even in Foodtex or any other supermarket.
Yeah, this is a less salt, but we don't much care about the less salt.
No, it doesn't matter. Like most important thing is, I guess there is a two type of soy sauce. This one is normal soy sauce for all kind of Japanese homemade cooking. But there is another soy sauce, especially in Denmark, called sushi soy sauce, sashimi soy sauce. But the taste is a bit different, so I highly recommend to choose this one. Okay,
and a very normal sunflower oil, the first price?
Yes, I kind of feel the oil for frying, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
You can just choose
and
whatever you
a cheap
want.
one. We bought at the menu, right?
Yeah, I think we bought the menu. Well.
And the bell mel, that's also menu. We bought it, the first price.
Flour.
The flour.
Yeah, it's just normal flour.
Good.
Yes. So first, so this one package includes 350 grams of chicken.
Yep.
So I'm gonna show you the menu for one package. I guess it's enough for 2 people basically.
Okay.
So first you will cut the chicken. Start to marinate with soy sauce and other ingredients. It's better to remove the
water.
The water, how to say?
The
water?
sweat of the chicken.
This you do it for the smell, right?
Yes.
To absorb the smell.
Absorb the smell.
And one.
Yeah, it's very important. You need to remove a bit. Yes.
How big is it?
Around like, I all the time use my the exactly same as your size. And then clove of garlic.
Great.
Great.
That's difficult. How to say the English? The
Grate it. You're grating it, right?
Grating.
the greeting.
G-R-A-T.
G-R? Oh, grating.
You say this.
So
But
you're
do you-
grating both of them.
Is it typical technique? This grating?
What you
I mean, not Japanese, whatever, any cooking.
Yeah.
Sometimes we mince, sometimes we grate.
Mm.
So it depends what kind of food you want to cook.
So this is a tablespoon?
Yes, so you need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce,
Mhm.
so which is 30 milliliters. Then you need sake for 1.5 teaspoon. Tablespoons, sorry, tablespoon.
Tablespoon. Wow.
And a bit spirit.
What is the bamboo things you use?
Oh, it's really, I guess that's the Japanese tool.
Mm-hmm.
When you grate the gingers or garlic, because it's kind of sticky to, how can I say it? To just remove using the normal spoons. So it's better to use this bamboo tool to remove all.
Okay.
So it's easy, just like you put the old chickens, then sort them. And make sure. Yes. Yes, and you just need to wait. Maybe around 10 minutes to 15 minutes.
Is it any reason you don't put so much time? Because it's only 10 minutes?
Yeah, I think 10 minutes enough for the chicken. For 15 minutes. This is the another tips before you start to fry chickens. You remove out all chicken. Then remove out the additional sauce.
Okay.
Because if you don't remove out, the taste will be a little bit, I would say, vague. So it's better to remove out the additional sauce from here.
So this is also important.
Yeah, it's
point.
very important, I think.
Very
It's
important.
Most important part before you fry. And you use 5-6 tablespoons of flour. So you just put the
Okay.
Yeah.
So where's the skin?
Yeah, where the skin is, you should be aware of.
Because you put the skin first into the oil?
Yes, exactly.
Is it also important?
It's also important.
Very important.
I mean, it's small tips, just.
Small tips.
Where do you put it?
Oh.
Yep.
So it's a time to fry the chickens. So I pour the oil, and the oil should be the temperature around 180. So how to check whether your oil is ready or not is you just put in something. I put the chopstick in, and then if the small bubbles come out very fast.
But this is not yet.
It's not yet because it's very and not fast enough. So when the bubble is like this, can you see? It's fast enough compared to the last one. So it seems it's ready.
Yep.
Okay, so I put the skins first inside. Here's the time. So after 2 minutes, you remove the chickens out. Garlic the lettuce. And so you need to fry it twice.
That's right, yes.
So next one, you need first fry for 2 minutes. And second fry as also takes 2 minutes.
2 minutes and 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Do you have to raise the temperature or it's the same temperature?
Yeah, it's same temperature, 180.
Maybe a tiny bit of green.
いただきます。
Wow, nice sound. It's cool. Are you happy with the KaraAge today? Good?
Good.
Good? With beer?
It's perfect combination. How was KaraAge? If you have any questions, please let us know through your comments. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe if you like it. Tack Hvede, this is